So here's a garden update. Here's an update on my tomato garden. I got one kind of ripening. It's got some splits in it, but it's coming along. I'm worried that these aren't ripening quick enough, but we're in mid-July, almost late July now. This plant's got quite a few small tomatoes popping up on it. It's got this one that's red. It's gonna be black or purple. And these guys are getting pretty nice sized. That's probably the biggest one I have. And I think there's a couple of other small tomatoes up there. There's one that fell off down there. Oh well. I don't know if that's going to ripen inside or not. I got another one a little bigger than this that fell off. And it's been inside for 2 days and it hasn't started to turn color. This one here has two nice tomatoes. They might be starting to turn a little blush. And there's a couple other have popped up here. But that one's my lowest producer. This one's literally got almost 20 tomatoes on it at this point. There's these little ones, a couple more little ones here. This guy's got this nice cluster. He's popped a few other ones out. There's one there. There might be another one on or two on the plant. And then this one over here is doing really well. I mean, it's probably got 15 little tomatoes all over it. Whether they'll ever hit maturity, I don't know. My first year doing tomatoes, and I got a late start. I started from seed, and then that didn't go well, and I had to restart after almost a month of lost growing time. Anyway, I'll show you some more in a week or two. Hopefully I got something to eat then. Alrighty.